The floor is clear now. Check the ramps. Cables are ready. Secure the shackle there. Make sure it's tight. Yeah, checking it now. Solid. Keep it steady. Watch the fender. Slowly now, slowly. Just a bit more. Keep it steady. Check the right side. Adjust the angle, almost there. Stop the winch. Get the chains. Okay, let's secure the rear axle first. Well, there it is. Looks like we have our work cut out for us.
All right, slowly now. We're almost there. Watch the clearance. Perfect, she's on.
Severe rust on the left fender. Notes taken. The engine bay is stripped.
This one's really seized up. Need a bit more torque. There it goes. Careful with it now, that's heavy. Right, inspection time. Looks like we've got some corrosion here.
All right. Wheels are off. We'll start with the chassis and get those hubs cleaned up. I've got to make sure this doesn't bind. Slowly does it. Just like that. It's off.
All right, final bolt. Got it. Easy now. This thing's heavy.
Watch it.
Watch the paint. Down she goes. Let's get the cart. All right, let's see about this hose. Careful now. Oh, there goes the seal.
Yeah.
Got it loose. Just got to lift it out. All right, time to cut this old monster loose. There she goes. Watch those sparks. That's it. Off you go. Finally. All right, let's get this sludge out of here. Careful with that plug, boss. All right, give it everything you've got. Together. 1, 2, 3. Just broke. Now we can turn it. Okay, hook engaged on the front.
Right.
Secure on the rear. Bring it up slowly.
Clear.
Watch the frame there. Clear. Continue up.
The hoist chains are off.
The hoist you.
Good. It's time to start assessing the damage.
All right, that's the last one. Easy now. Watch the drive shaft. Just rolling her out. All right, easy does it. Got it. Slow and steady now.
Check.
Just a little further. All right, these are seized up. There we go, slowly.
Yeah.
Easy with these bushings.
Yeah.
Springs off. Next. Okay, the linkage is free. Let's lift this corroded beauty out carefully. All right, easy now. Grab the side there. Got it. Slow and steady. Watch the wood.
It is. The dashboard is warped and faded, the gauges tarnished and clouded. The worker carefully unbolts the wooden panel. This is it, the heart of the project. Every piece meticulously disassembled and ready for restoration.
All right, time to start stripping this rust. Let's fire this up.
Okay, let's start dissolving this gunk. This degreaser should do the trick.
All right, time to tackle this fender. Got to be patient with this rust. That's a lot of buildup. Yeah, it's a 100-year-old car. What do you expect? Just need to... All right, let's get all that foam off. Yeah. Now a quick brush here to loosen that stubborn patch. Yeah. There, much better. Rinsing clear.
You have to be very gentle with these panels. The dust is decades old. Look at that shine starting to come through. We're uncovering history.
All right, let's start with the dash. Got to be careful with this original wood.
You can see the grain starting to show through now. It just needs a gentle conditioning to bring it back to life. Look at that.
Slowly and carefully.
All right, time to tackle this rear axle. A lot of years of grease and rust built up here. We'll start with a heavy coat of degreaser. All right, time to rinse off this rear axle. Getting the bulk of it off now. Looking much better. Just a little more to go. All right, time to tackle this beast. Got the degreaser here. Just let that work for a moment. And now for the brush.
All right, let's see how this old Ghost cleaned up. Look at that shine, that's beautiful work.
All right, these are the components from the 1906 Silver Ghost. Just drying them off gently, looking pristine. I've got the floor pans rinsed and free of loose dirt. Now we can see what's left underneath. Good progress.
The heart of it all. We're ready to put this beauty back together now. Oh, yeah. Look at this fender, absolutely perfect.
All right, still pretty heavily pitted here. Looks like some deep corrosion to address. You've got to take your time with it. Any shortcuts, and you're just going to make more work for yourself later on. It's all about method.
All right, just finishing up the wet sanding here, making sure it's smooth for the next coat. Looks perfect. All right, just a little more here. Perfect, that's ready. Base coat is ready. Perfect match. Excellent. Smooth as glass. That base coat is perfect.
The clear coat is applied from front to rear, ensuring a deep, protective, and lasting finish.
The heart of the Silver Ghost, fully restored and ready for assembly. Looks perfect, Chief. Absolutely. Let's begin.
The cylinder head looks solid, just a small hairline on cylinder 5. Need to mark that. Excellent. All right, cylinder head bolts are next. Taking our time with this one. Got it.
The solvent breaks down the residual oil and metal dust left from the honing. It's critical to get every particle out for a perfect seal.
All right, and there it is. Perfect. Line it up with the dowels. Easy, easy. Just a hair to the right.
There.
There. Press it down. Got it.
The key is patience, getting the white just right against the history of the spokes.
All right, time for the final touch. Looks perfect.
perfectly fit. A bit of brass here, nice, excellent. And that's it, snug as a bug.
Getting these cracks filled properly is critical for the integrity of the piece. Patience is key here.
The stitching must be just right, preserving the history of this old ghost. The structure is sound. Now to secure this padding. Looks strong, doesn't it?
Pull that side tight, Bob. Got it. Now the screw here.
All right, slowly does it. Careful of the lines. Looking good, lower it another inch. Just right. Now let's secure these bolts.
All right, slowly now. Line it up. Looks good. Tighten the top ones first. Got it.
All right, a little higher. Looks good. Looks good. I'll get the springs connected. Hand me the torque wrench.
All right, alignment looks good. Just need to torque these down properly.
All right, let's get this one on. Steady. There we go.
Perfect fit.
Now for the lugs.
Torque set. First one done. Now to the opposite.
Good, right on spec.
Perfect.
Perfect. I've got the back one.
Yeah.
Just the front now. Done.
Line it up there. Careful.
Careful.
Got it. Thread the bolt in.
All right.
All right, securing the hose now.